Hey there foodies, today we're whipping up a mouthwatering teriyaki chicken donburi. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this one. So let's start things off by making a flavour packed marinade. Grab a mixing bowl, add in 2 tablespoonfuls of white granulated sugar, followed by 2 tablespoonfuls of dark soy sauce. Next up, pour in 1 tablespoon each of rice wine vinegar and fish sauce. Don't forget a tablespoonful of honey for the perfect sweetness and a tablespoon of tangy tomato puree. Toss in a crushed clove of garlic along with a 1/4 teaspoon each of dried ginger and dried chili flakes. Finish it off with a zesty kick of 15 ml of lime juice. Now we're going to mix it all up until it's beautifully combined. Now to that then we're going to add 500 grams of skinless boneless chicken breast or thighs and mix it until well coated and let it bathe in the marinade for at least an hour, but if you've got the time, overnight is even better. While our chicken is soaking up all that goodness, let's prep some veggies. Thinly slice a scallion, julienne carrot, quarter 4 baby carrots and grab 60 grams of munch too. Now it's time to fire up the wok. Spray it with a little bit of low calorie cooking spray and toss in the marinated chicken. Now we're going to cook the chicken on both sides until it's fully done, normally about 7 or 8 minutes, and it's reaching the magical internal temperature of 75 degrees Celsius. Once the chicken is cooked through, set it aside and keep it warm. Now let's give those veggies some love. We're going to add a bit more oil to the wok and throw in the carrots, corn and munch too. We'll stir fry them for about 3 or 4 minutes until they start to soften. Now time to bring in the marinade. Pour the remaining sauce from the chicken over the veggies, giving them a good coating. If things start to look a little bit dry, don't hesitate to add a splash of water. And cook for another 2 to 3 minutes just until they're softened. And now for the grand finale. Grab a bowl, scoop in 100 grams of cooked basmati rice, thinly slice the chicken and lay it on top of the rice, pile on those flavourful veggies and sprinkle with some chopped spring onion for that final touch. Now thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Remember, cooking is not just about following a recipe, it's also about creating something delicious to share with loved ones. So go ahead, like, subscribe and share, and until next time, happy cooking.